Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to split screen on an Android phone. Alright, let's begin. First, open any app that you want to use in split screen mode. After opening it, return to the home screen. At the bottom of the screen, swipe up to access your recent or running apps. Here you will see a list of all the apps you have recently opened. Next, tap on the name or icon of the first app. A small menu will appear. From this menu, select the option called Split Screen. Once you do this, the screen will split into two sections, and the first app you selected will appear at the top half of the screen. Now, scroll through your list of apps again and select the second app you want to open. It will appear in the bottom half of the screen. You can use the slider bar in the middle to adjust the size of each window, making one larger or smaller depending on your preference. To exit split screen mode, simply drag the slider all the way up or down to close one of the apps. So that's basically how you can split screen on an Android phone. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.